She kicked me out of her den. What?
Yeah, it's the Shop King. Yeah, it's Shop King time.
Okay, what's going on, everybody? It's the Shop King here. I got a couple of gifts. Let's see what's up here. Ooh, rare shutter shades. I would look so cool in those. Let's go try those on. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's the Shop King. Yeah, it's Shop King time.
And boom. Red, white, and boom. Nice. Okay, I got one more gift. Grams a lamp. And don't forget, if you send me a 𝕊𝕚𝕚𝕚 gift, you will probably end up in a video. Okay, so right now I got some codes to enter for these little toys. And we're gonna see what happens when you enter 20. See what the gift is. 500 gems. 500 gems.
Daddy.
500 gems again. Oh, Sozy? Oh, Sozy. Bailey's looking at me crazy. Someone sent me a message and it said, "Oh, Sozy." Wait, is that supposed to mean sorry? I don't know. I'm not up on all the new lingo. Oh, I am so Sozy. I'm so Sozy.
Did someone actually send that to you?
Yeah, they said Sozy. Sozy. I'm gonna start saying that now to everybody. Like if I do something wrong. Oh, I'm Sozy. Okay, 500 gems and Peacock Feathers. Yeah, boy. Woo! Peacock Feathers. Yeah. Boom. Peacock Feathers. And boom. Purple long. I'm gonna put them on trade. Here's my newest masterpiece. Look at that. Rare. I put that on trade and I was offered longs for it. Rare long spikes, and I was like, whoa. So I'm gonna hang on to it until I get a really good offer. And then I'll trade it. Okay, let's see how they look on an Arctic. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Oh, I'm gonna eat all of this food. A little bit of that, a little bit of that, some of that. A lot of that. Look at that jiggly jello. Gone. All of those. Oh, brownies, gone. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh, whoa, a new jello. I'm gonna eat that too. That was good. What? Another? Are you crazy?
I'm trying to do a spike or something. I mean, they tried to make like a princess bed. That's cool.
I know. I saw that.
They should have put something on.
She kicked me out of her den.
She kicked me out of her den.
Oh! You got burned, baby.
How? Why in the Just because I declined her trade, she kicked me out of her den. What? That ain't gonna happen. Peacock feathers for a rare backpack? Maybe. Nah. Okay, peacock feathers for rare angel wings. Now that is not a very good offer. Sorry. Not gonna happen. Let's go to somewhere a little bit more popular. Take some offers. Okay. Okay, let's see what people are gonna offer. Boom. Peacock feathers on trade. 2 archways. Come on now. No. Got offered a tie and a glove. It's not gonna do me any good. 2 Viking hats. Oh, that's for my rare. Sorry, my rare is gonna take a long. Whoa. She totally changed her offer now. Got a black wrist, pink long wrist, neon bow, couple of archways. A rare sombrero for my spiked wristband. What do you think, Bailey? Should I do it? No. No. Alright, so we know the peacock feathers is the prize that you get when you open up 20. So what's next? 25. So I'm gonna have to get 5 more codes so we can find out what that is. I can't wait. Can't wait. What could it possibly be? I don't know. No idea. So make sure you subscribe to Shop King. And make sure you check out King of Shopkins on Animal Jam. And we'll see you on the next video.